Hey guys, just wanted to show you this plier set right here. It's pretty cool. No issues at all. I haven't used it much, just for really minor stuff, but so far it's been you know, what you pretty much expect. You get a needle nose plier right here. You have this type of plier, and then you got that adjustable wrench. Yeah, it's pretty much what you expect. The only downside is at least when I received mine, every single one of them had like a really nasty oil coating on there. So that's I understand it might just be for like anti-rust or anything like that, but that's something to kind of consider. It will get in your hands. It's kind of annoying, but you know, just wipe it down, you'll probably be fine. But the quality feels really good with using it. The grip is okay. It's not bad, it's not terrible. But yeah, like so far I recommend it. It's you know, it's what you expect. It doesn't feel cheap at all, which is really good. And then yeah, I haven't used the wire cutters on this portion, but yeah, not bad at all.